Every road tells a story, and sometimes those stories are captured in the most unexpected ways. What would you do if your ordinary commute turned into an unforgettable moment? Today, we bring you a collection of 8 extraordinary tales from the road, each one caught on dashcam. From a tense encounter in China to a love story that defined disaster in Kuala Lumpur. These videos aren't just about accidents. They reveal the emotions, drama, and life lessons that unfold behind the wheel. Let's journey through these gripping moments and uncover the truths that every driver should know. Number 1. A night turned violent. Chao Li's unsettling encounter with Zhang Wei. On a tranquil night in China, Chao Li drove home, savoring the warmth of a dinner party with friends. The glow of streetlights created a serene atmosphere as cars passed from the opposite direction. Suddenly, a car swerved into Chao Li's lane without warning, slamming into his right side. The mirror shattered, and deep dents marked the body of his car. Heart pounding, Chao Li barely had time to react before the other car sped away into the night. To his shock, he recognized the driver. It was Zhang Wei, a man with whom he had had a heated argument earlier. Shaken but unharmed, Chao Li realized this might not be a mere accident. Reporting the incident to the authorities, he was left grappling with anger and confusion. The unsettling event left him searching for answers in the quiet of the night. Number 2. A frosty reminder on Hokkaido's roads. On a snowy morning in Hokkaido, Japan, Yuji Tanaka sped down the icy highway, determined to overtake a mini cargo truck. With dramatic music playing in his car, he seized the moment and veered into the oncoming lane. Just as he prepared to pass, an unexpected scene froze him in place. A white SUV had skidded on the icy road, crashing into a barrier and teetering on the edge of a snowy embankment. Yuji's foot instinctively eased off the accelerator as the eerie stillness of the snow-covered wreck unfolded before him. The sobering night was a stark reminder of the dangers of winter roads, slowing his rush and leaving him with a deep sense of caution. Number 3. The parking fiasco on a quiet UK street. On a chilly afternoon in the charming streets of Bath, James Parker was feeling unusually patient. As he cruised along, a car ahead signaled to park. Being a gentleman, James stopped, giving the driver plenty of space to maneuver. The parking attempt began like a slow-motion ballet, except this ballet had no grace. The driver backed up, adjusted, and backed up again. But just as James thought, finally, he's got it. The car kept coming. Thud. The parking driver gave James's front bumper a cheeky little nudge, as if to say, "Thanks for waiting." James stared in disbelief, muttering, "Seriously?" The driver hopped out, red-faced, mumbling apologies. James couldn't help but laugh. His reward for patience was a bumper tap for the ages. Number 5. Morning chaos. A collision of humanity and rules. On a chilly morning in Scotland, Laura Mackenzie's commute turned catastrophic. Stopped at a red light, out of nowhere, an SUV hurtled toward her, smashing into her car with a deafening crash. The collision crumpled the front of her vehicle, shattered the windshield, and sent her dashboard camera flying onto the pavement. The impact jolted Laura in her seat, the seatbelt digging into her shoulder. Dazed but uninjured, she stumbled out of her car to confront the driver. Despite the severity of the crash, no one was seriously hurt. Yet the scene, a mangled car, broken glass, and panicked voices, was a stark reminder that desperation can lead to dangerous decisions. Number 6. A head-on collision in the heart of Paris. Alex Dupont, a Parisian entrepreneur, was rushing back to his office after an important business meeting with a CEO. Approaching a busy junction, Alex slowed down, letting a car ahead complete its turn. As he began to move forward, another vehicle from the opposite direction suddenly attempted to cross the same path. Neither driver could brake in time, and the two cars collided head-on with a jarring impact. The crash wasn't severe, but both cars' front sides bore visible damage. Alex and the other driver stepped out, shaken but unharmed. While frustration lingered, both were grateful that no serious harm had occurred. Roads can be unpredictable, especially in bustling cities. Defensive driving and anticipation are crucial to avoid head-on collisions, even in seemingly straightforward situations. Number 7. A rural accident in Canada. A lesson in careless driving. In rural Canada, 19-year-old Liam Parker, driving without a license, found himself in an accident. While following another car on a quiet road, the vehicle ahead suddenly stopped, possibly due to a mechanical issue, and then started moving again. Liam, too close and unprepared, failed to react in time, crashing into the back of the stopped car. The impact shattered the rear glass and caused visible damage to both vehicles. Dashcams from both cars captured the event, Liam showing his delayed response and the front car's rear camera recording the crash. Thankfully, no one was injured, but the accident highlighted the importance of maintaining a safe following distance and staying alert. Defensive driving and clear communication are crucial to preventing accidents. Number 8. A rush to the theater. A costly mistake in Mumbai. Rajesh and his friends were excited to watch the latest blockbuster at PVR Cinemas in Mumbai. With just 3 minutes remaining before the movie started, Rajesh, eager not to miss the film, drove quickly through the busy streets. Approaching a busy intersection, Rajesh, in a rush, decided to make a sharp right turn, ignoring the red signal. At the same moment, Amit, an office worker heading home, also tried to make the same turn from the opposite side. The two cars collided with a deafening crash, spinning out of control. Rajesh's car crashed into a lamppost, and the impact left both cars heavily damaged. The accident caused a major traffic jam, and emergency services were called to the scene. Impatience and reckless driving can lead to devastating consequences. No movie is worth risking lives. Roads test our decisions every day, as these stories have shown. Let them inspire vigilance, patience, and compassion in your own driving. If you've enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tales. What's your most unforgettable road moment? Comment below. Until next time, drive safe.